What's for dinner in your house tonight? I'm making a ranch chicken in the crock pot. Let's go get it started. If you're like me, get yourself some of these. I just got these at Walmart and they're like $5 for 8 bags. I hate, and I mean hate, cleaning the crock pot after everything's been in there and baked on. These have been a lifesaver. We're just going to add this to it. And I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of water. And we're just going to cook this on low for 6 hours, or until the internal temperature is 165. All right, guys, dinner's done. We've got some pineapple, we got our chicken, I got some bread and butter, peas, and some baked potato with some sour cream. Let's give this chicken a bite. That is so tender and so delicious. Go make yourself some.